In this video, we will introduce some common methods for searching Sofia. The Sofia Discovery tool is Concordia Library's main search tool. You can use Sofia to find a wide range of physical and digital items, such as books, articles, videos, and much more. From the library's homepage, you can start your research with a simple search. For instance, let's look for a specific book. Enter the title of the book, such as Great Expectations, and click the search button. Very often, a simple title search will give you many results. But don't worry, usually the book you are looking for will be in the first few results. In this example, it's at the top of the list. You can see in this first record that the library has this title both as an ebook and as a physical book in the Webster Library. To access the ebook, just click on the View eBook link. You may be asked to supply your Concordia netname and password if you haven't already done so, and then you'll be able to access the ebook. You will also see that we have a print copy in the Webster Library, and it is currently available to borrow. Also note that there is a series of buttons above each record, including one called Share, which you can use to send yourself a link to the record for this book. If you do not see the title you are looking for in the first screen of results, an advanced search may be needed. You can access the advanced search by clicking on the link near the search box. Let's try an advanced search, where we can search for words specifically in the title, and we'll include the author's name. In the title search box, we've typed the title, Climate Change Justice. In the author search box, we've typed the author's last name, Postner. It is useful to know that Sofia is not limited to the collection of Concordia Library. If you want, it can also search other Quebec University libraries and even libraries worldwide all at the same time. You can decide what collection you want to search from the menu at the bottom of the screen. The default option is to search only the Concordia Library. Now let's look at the results of this search. Our search found a Focus 10 results, and the title we are looking for appears as an ebook at the top of the list. If you look at the left-hand column, you'll notice under Format that we retrieved both books and journal articles with this search. You can click on the Book option to limit your results to books only. This is especially useful when you have a lot of results in different formats. Again, to access the ebook, just click on the View eBook link. If you would like to have more information about a particular publication before accessing it, click on its title. You will see a new screen with more information about the book. Click on More Item Details to view even more. Here is detailed information about another book available in print at the Webster Library. You can see the call number that we use it to locate on the library shelves and its availability. Also note that you can click the Share button at the top of the screen to obtain a permanent link to this record. We also saw this Share button earlier on the results lists. You can copy and keep this permanent URL so that you can find the item easily again, or just email it to yourself or someone else. Now, we don't always know the specific title of a book or an article, but we're simply searching for items on a particular topic. You can do a keyword search in Sofia's basic search box, using the word "and" between your keywords. Here we have done a simple search for gender and leadership. Note that the "and" must be typed in all capital letters. Though you can use the basic search box, Sofia's advanced search screen can help you structure a good search more easily. Click on the advanced search link near the top of the page. Let's search for items about politics and popular music using this advanced search screen. You would type popular music in the first search box and politics in the second one. By default, the second search box is used for title searches, but we can easily change it to keyword using the drop-down menu. As we want results that include both popular music and politics, we use the default "and" option between each row. Notice that we use quotation marks around popular music to ensure that this exact expression will be searched. You could also add "and United States" in the third row to make your search even more precise. But don't forget to change the search index from author to keyword. At a more advanced level, you could add synonyms or related words in any search box using "or" between your keywords. So in the first search box, you could type popular music or rap music. Like the "and," the "or" must be typed in all capital letters. And here are the results of our search. Remember, Sofia will search for various types of materials, including journal articles and books. On the results page, the left-hand column offers many filters to refine your search, including library, format, and publication year. In this case, we selected article under format and peer-reviewed under content type. We also limited the search results to the last 5 years. Note that the active filters are listed on the top left of the screen under current search. Most articles in Sofia are available in electronic format. When you click on View Full Text or Access Online, sometimes the article will open directly. Sometimes a window will open with several options for accessing the article. They all should work, but in case one doesn't, you have the option to try more than one. Sofia is your best starting point for finding books and ebooks. It is also useful for a quick search for articles, multimedia, and more in any subject area. However, if you want to do a more thorough search for journal articles and other documents, it is best to use one of the databases recommended for your discipline. A recommended list of databases by subject can be found on the library's homepage just below Sofia. To learn more about searching the Sofia Discovery tool, you can consult the user guide. And if you have any questions about using Sofia or any other library-related questions, ask a librarian.